Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Python on your Mac OS step by step. First of all, open your browser and type in python.org. Make sure you're on the official website before downloading anything. Once the page opens, you hover over the download section. You'll see the latest stable version recommended for your operating system. You click and download that. We just wait for it to get downloaded. Once it's done, we click and install the package. Click on continue. Just go through the license, agree, and click install. Just put in your username and password for your Mac OS, and just in a few minutes it will be installed on your system. Once Python is installed, and it is important to check whether it is installed properly or not. So let's verify the installation. For that, we open the terminal from the apps. From the terminal, we will type the following command: python 3 space dash dash version, and press enter. If you see a version number, like in my case it's 3.14.2, this means that the Python is installed successfully. And that is it. You've successfully installed Python and verified that everything is working fine. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.